I'm Joe Hughes with Navigate Homes. Welcome to Eagle Bend in Coralville, just on the west side of Iowa City. A beautiful neighborhood surrounded by trees with 23 mostly walkout lots. Nestled in a prime location, this community offers an abundance of natural beauty. One of the standout features of Eagle Bend is the purposefully designed walkout lots that back to serene trees and open spaces. Picture yourself enjoying the tranquility of nature right in your own backyard. Now let's talk about our magnificent parade home located at 1157 Kona Circle in Coralville. This house has already been sold, and it's a true testament to the quality and craftsmanship you'll find throughout the neighborhood. The open kitchen, complete with an island, is a chef's dream. The main level boasts a dedicated office, perfect for those who work from home, and a large hidden pantry, providing ample storage space. This two-story home with a walkout basement offers spacious living at its finest. With 4 bedrooms upstairs, including a stunning primary suite with a tiled shower and walk-in closet, there's plenty of room for the whole family. Every detail has been carefully considered, from designer-selected finishes to heated floors in the primary bath, ensuring comfort and luxury throughout. Additional highlights include maintenance-free decking and rail, premium countertops, custom fireplace built-ins, and comfort features like a whole house humidifier and dual-zone climate control. And for those who value security, you'll appreciate the 360-degree cameras in the garage with Wi-Fi capability, ensuring peace of mind even when you're away. The lower level is perfect for entertaining, featuring a large family room and rec room with a walk-behind bar, ideal for hosting gatherings and creating lifelong memories. Although this specific home is sold, Navigate Homes can build your dream home for you on a lot of your choice. Whether you're looking for a picturesque walkout lot or a friendly community to call home, Eagle Bend in Coralville has it all. Although this home is sold, we have more lots where we can build your dream home. So reach out to us at Navigate Homes so we can look at plans and lots together to design exactly what you want.